Sairam students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn history, third chapter, the Harappan civilization, revision part 1. But before that, let's take a short recap what we have learned in the previous session of the revision. We had learned history, second chapter, sources of history, revision. And now we are going to start with Harappan civilization. Archaeological excavations first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Indus civilization. This means students, Harappan civilization was also known as Indus civilization, and archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. Okay. Next, excavation were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. So excavation was carried out where? At Mohenjo-daro, a place about how many? 650 kilometers to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. Okay. Next, there was a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts found at the two places. This means students, artifacts found at the two places, and there was a striking resemblance between the remains of the structures. Now resemblance means the similarities between two objects or things. Okay. Now the next, similar remains have been found at Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, etc. Means the remains were found at these places. They were Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan and Daimabad. Generally, the same characteristics are seen in all the places of the Harappan civilization. Okay, means in all the places we can see the same characteristics. So this include town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage systems, seals, pots and toys and burial customs. Okay, this means Harappan civilization include town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage systems, seal, then pots and toys and burial customs. Now what is burial customs? Yes, burial customs means the ceremony when a dead body is put into the ground, or you can say it is buried, is known as burial customs. Now the next is housing and town planning. Okay, the houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. How were the houses built? Houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. Okay. Next, in some places unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. So they used even unbaked bricks and stones. Okay. Next, the houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses had wells, bathrooms and toilets. This means students, in Harappan civilization, the housing and town planning was well developed. They had houses with wells, bathrooms and toilets, and the houses had rooms built around a central courtyard. Okay. Then there was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. This means students, even the drainage system was well planned, in which baked earthen conduits were used. Now what is conduit? Conduit means a pipe or channel or tube through which liquid or gas or electrical wires can pass. Okay, that is known as conduit. Next, the streets had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. Means the street were even covered with drain and built with bricks. So this, what this shows? This shows the concern of public health. The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Now what is grid pattern? Grid pattern means the street intersect at right angle and form a pattern of square when viewed from the above. So next is houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them. So how were the houses built? Houses were built in the rectangular blocks which were created by them. Now the next. The towns were divided into 2 or more sections and each section had separate fortification. This means, students, the towns were divided into 2 or more sections. Means they divided the town into 2 or more sections and each section had separate fortification. Students, separate fortification means walls were built especially in those days to protect a place against attack. So that is known as separate fortification. Now next, what is this? Yes, this is the picture of Harappan civilization well. Okay. Next, seals and pots. The seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called steatite. So how were the seals of Harappan civilization? The seals of Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called steatite. Okay. Next. These seals bear pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. Next, human figures are also seen. The seals were used as stamps. So, how was the seals made? The seals were made with the pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, then buffaloes, yes, oxen, elephant, rhinos, tigers, etc. and also of imaginary ones like the unicorn. And human figures are also seen on the seals and pots. These seals were used as stamps. Okay. See, those are the pictures of seals. Next, earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. So students, we have been found earthen pots of various types and shapes at the excavation sites of Harappan civilization. Okay, and there are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. This means, students, red terracotta pots means red ceramic pots, okay, with patterns and design in black color, and the patterns include fish scales, then interlocking circles and people leaves. Okay. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies. So the Harappan peoples used to bury their dead bodies with the dead body. They used to bury earthen pots. Okay. So these are the earthen pots. What we have learned today? We have learned Harappan civilization, housing and town planning, seals and pots. Okay. So we are going to do activity, fill the blanks. Statement is given with a blank and 4 options are given. You are going to choose the right answer. Okay. So the first one, archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the dash on the banks of the river Ravi. So first is A, Punjab, B, Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Rajasthan. So what will be the answer? A. Punjab. Yes. So archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of the river Ravi. Okay. Now the next. The houses and other structures in Dash civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. Okay. A. Chinese, B. Persian, C. Roman, D. Harappan. So, which civilization? Harappan civilization. Very good. The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. Okay. Now the next. The streets had covered drains built with dash. A. Bricks. B. Mud. C. Stone. D. Rods. So the answer will be A. Bricks. The streets had covered drains built with bricks. Okay. Next, fourth one. The seals of the Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called dash. A. Rock. B. Stone. C. Mud. D. Steatite. And the answer is steatite. The seals of the Harappan civilization were mainly square shaped and made from a stone called steatite. Okay. So students, that's all for today. Sai Ram. Thank you.